Hostgator Review: Unleash your online potential. Hostgator offers a comprehensive suite of hosting solutions tailored to meet your needs. Let's delve into what makes Hostgator an excellent choice for hosting your online endeavors. What is Hostgator? Hostgator is a renowned web hosting company known for its robust infrastructure, stellar customer support, and user-friendly interface. Established in 2002, it has since garnered a reputation for reliability and affordability, making it a preferred choice for individuals and businesses alike. Pricing: from $3.75 per month. One of the most attractive features of Hostgator is its competitive pricing. With plans ranging from shared hosting for beginners to dedicated servers for high-traffic websites, Hostgator offers scalability without breaking the bank. Whether you're starting small or aiming for the stars, there's a plan to suit every budget. Ease of use. Navigating the world of web hosting can be daunting, especially for beginners. Hostgator understands this and strives to make the process as seamless as possible. With an intuitive control panel, one-click installations for popular platforms like WordPress, and a plethora of tutorials and guides, Hostgator empowers users to get their websites up and running with ease. Who is it suitable for? Hostgator caters to a diverse audience, making it suitable for a wide range of users. Whether you're an individual looking to launch a personal blog, an e-commerce entrepreneur seeking a reliable platform for your online store, or a corporation in need of robust hosting solutions, Hostgator has you covered. From small websites to enterprise-level applications, Hostgator's versatility ensures that no matter the scale of your project, you'll find the perfect hosting solution. Why choose Hostgator? There are countless reasons to choose Hostgator for your web hosting needs. From its rock-solid uptime guarantee to its 24/7 customer support, Hostgator goes above and beyond to ensure your online presence is in good hands. With unlimited bandwidth, unmetered disk space, and a plethora of features designed to optimize performance and security, Hostgator provides everything you need to thrive in the digital realm. You can buy hosting and domain from Hostgator today. A link in our video description has been provided. Moreover, Hostgator's commitment to sustainability sets it apart from the competition. With initiatives aimed at reducing environmental impact, such as energy-efficient data centers and carbon offset programs, Hostgator demonstrates its dedication to building a greener future. In conclusion, whether you're a novice or a seasoned pro, Hostgator offers the perfect blend of reliability, affordability, and convenience to propel your online endeavors to new heights. Don't wait any longer to unlock your online potential. Buy your hosting and domain with Hostgator, link in video description.